Hey there, good news. I have a delivery for you.
Wow, it's my Uni Kit. I ordered it 2 days ago and it's already here.
What's a Uni Kit? Equipment for the university? I'm a student as well.
Oh, you'll be surprised. Just come in and let me show you. Could I fit all of my textbooks in here?
This scarf is actually pretty stylish. Look, it goes so well with my outfit.
Hey, you finally have the Microsoft Office 365. No excuse for being late with your homework now. Ooh, and check it out. You've also got a discount, 20% off of checking your thesis for plagiarism and a €10 voucher off of printing and binding.
Wow, cool design.
Hey, this looks very promising.
Is this a power bank? Just what I needed. Hey, can I borrow it?
No, get your own one with the Uni Kit.